Hello my beautiful jewels and welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another cartoon to my series. Today I am going to do Tweety. I'm going to start off by priming my eyelid with the hard candy primer. I always, every time I do my eyeshadow, I keep forgetting to put highlight on before I do like any other eyeshadow because obviously it's way simpler having that done and then just doing everything else, instead of going back and like maybe messing it up. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm trying it this way. For the eyeshadows, I believe I'm gonna tap into this Ofra palette, take this yellow, and if I can't like build it up good enough, I'm going to go into this palette and try and mix that yellow. Now I know Tweety's like a bright yellow, but you know, I don't have like the Take Me Back to Brazil palette or anything like that where it has the bright colors. I wish I did. We're just working with what I got, okay? Taking this flat, what is this? It's just not a flat, but like, you know, these kind of eyeshadow. Oh my god, forget it. Taking this, and then I'm just gonna pack on the color onto my lid. Okay, now that that is packed on there, I'm going to take my blending brush, pick up a little, dab it off, and just blend it now. Make it... If you didn't know, I'm making a smoky eye. I don't know if I'm gonna need that other eyeshadow, because that other eyeshadow is a little darker. I mean, I don't know, I'll just pick up a little. Okay, that's good for now. This is obviously another really simple look. I'm gonna just put a little coverage on this part, you know, make it look good. Ooh, might be too much, but I'll work with it. I don't feel like getting up and wetting this, so fuck it. I'm gonna have to wash all my brushes again and everything else, something like that too. Yeah. I don't really like that brush that I just used, but it comes in handy really good around the nose, so that's why I keep it around. I'm gonna bake under that a little. I'm gonna go back to the same brush that we packed the yellow with, and put more, and put that on my under eye. With my little crease brush, we're going to pack into this orange and put that on the waterline. Okay, now I'm going to get my small crease brush, get my e.l.f. Aqua Mist primer, spray it, and I'm going to pick up this blue and put it in the corner of my eye. And now I'm actually gonna do something I have never done before. So it's probably gonna come out crappy, I don't know, but I'm actually going to try attach these lashes onto my lash line without glue though, because you know I don't want to pull out any of my eyelashes. I'm trying to regrow. Seen people do this a couple times, so grab it, some pluckers. I'm already messing up. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I need help. This is why I don't F's with falsies. That's why I just want regular, my natural eyelashes. Okay guys, I think that's honestly as best as I'm gonna be able to do him. Shit. Shit, you guys almost had it. Did it work? Did it work? Okay, it worked for a little. I'm gonna try not to blink so much, but here's the finished look. Wait, no, it's not the finished look. Shit. Okay. Okay. There. Now here's the finished look. Ta-da! Okay, now, before this decides to come off, I'm gonna go and try and take some pictures, make it not look so horrible. If you guys enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. I know this is probably gonna be one of my shorter videos unless I don't edit that much out of it. Yeah, it's a really simple look. This is Tweety. If you don't know the colors, obviously yellow's for the body, blue for the eyes, and orange for the feet. So there you go. As always, if you want to see a more edited version of my cartoon series looks, go to my Instagram. My username is always in the description box and you can see them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next video. Bye!